unboxing sensation, and now we're gonna unbox a Beachwaver product. So I'm so very excited to share you because last time I go to the Philippines to fix my hair and cut my hair, and this is it. I bought this last Mother's Day. It's on sale at Beachwaver. This is the Beachwaver. I got this on Beachwaver on their sites. I got this for around $99. It's my gift for myself as a Mother's Day. So let's unbox the first small box. And then go. Oh my god, this is the Beachwaver Dream Big, the volumizing mousse. And this one is the shiny spray. So, oh my god, I'm so very excited. That's what I get in my pre-order. I ordered it. So, if you're gonna see, I don't brush my hair because I ordered this one. I'm so very excited, guys. We're gonna try this. And laki ng box niya. So, we'll open it, guys. And this is parang laptop bag, guys. It's like a laptop bag, but it's really organized. This is the brush, and this is looks like inside. There is a oval nozzle, diffusing hair, gentle flow, perfect press styling, and this is the diffuser. This is nice when you're curling your hair. You have a curly hair and you wanna dry it. And this is when you want to roll your hair. So this is the look of Beachwaver inside the blow brush. This is the blow brush. Also, there's the instruction inside, and there's gloves for when it's hot. You can put gloves on your hands, and this is the instruction how to use it. There you go. And also the instruction how to use. So there is the blow brush. We're gonna test this blow brush, and I'm so very excited because this is my favorite color. It's metallic and what do you call it? Powder pink. So that's my favorite color. And if you can see the inside. So we're gonna connect first. I like this because I like a blower. So we're gonna put it here. There with the arrow there. Put it there. 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 And it's locked right now. If you're gonna remove it like that, if you're gonna lock it like that. So we're gonna remove the plastic right now. So I'm gonna remove the plastic, and we're gonna plug it here. Remove also this. I'm gonna plug it here. I'm here in my favorite couch. It's color pink. And so guys, to connect it, put it like this, arrow to arrow. There you go. There. And if you want to remove it, press the pink. Press that. And you want to put it back again. And then when you're gonna on it, this is off, and then full, low, and warm. This is the hottest. And what thing I love with this, it had the ionic, so it keeps your hair shiny as well. Off, and we're gonna on. So, I'm going to take a blow. Turn off, and then I'll remove. And I want to try this brush. So if you see, I just took a bath and I never brushed my hair. So we can try this product. So if you're gonna see, there's an arrow blowout brush. If you see this arrow there, you put it here, arrow to arrow, like that. And then switch it like this. We're gonna try another brush. This is the another brush. So we're gonna put it again. I'm gonna try this brush. So put it on. Try this brush. Should be locked like that. I'm so excited to share to you my experience in using this the Beachwaver blow brush. So I got this at Tik Tok. It's a blow brush, so let's plug it in. I'm gonna put it here. So I'm so excited. It's my second time to use this. One thing I love with this blow brush is easy to roll. You can roll over your hair and you can fix it and dry it. So, and one thing I love is this. Even it's big, it can hold all your hair. And the color is really nice. It's a powder pink with the rose gold. So I'm so excited, and it helps me to prep my hair quickly. That's what I really love with this product. So let's do it. When I bought this at online, at the Beachwaver, I got a free Big Dream Volumizing Mousse. If you want to blow dry that pop your hair like that, this is nice. And this is the shine spray. So I'm gonna try to use the spray to make my hair shiny. It smells like spraying it with the strawberry scent. This is the Beachwaver. And this is the Beachwaver. And there you go. We're gonna test this. And I really love the Beachwaver, guys. So we're gonna put it here like that with the arrow. You plug it here like that and open it with. So I'm gonna dry my hair first. Then I want to change a brush. I want it to be this. I'm gonna try my favorite, the roll brush. So I'm gonna dry my hair. Don't forget also to buy also or check on the description box down below where to buy the Beachwaver. And this is it. So guys, you can also put, if you want to have a shiny hair, this is the Shine Squad of Beachwaver. So we're gonna put it on my hair. And there you go. And we'll blow dry my hair. My honest review for this blow brush, I like it. Even it's so big, it's like a laptop, but it's lightweight and easy to store and easy to use. And one thing I like about this, even it's so big, look, it can grasp all the hair at the back. And if you want to be floppy and voluminized, you have to use this Beachwaver Dream Big. So I really love this. Love with this blow dry. There's a reset button. There's a reset button before if you're gonna use it. Blow dry, it makes my life easy and quickly to make my lifestyle more easy to be beautiful and style my hair. Thank you to Beachwaver. Guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below which product, and don't forget to buy on Beachwaver on their website or buy at TikTok. Bye guys! Video, please give me a thumbs up and please like and share and subscribe.